Who was the last Viceroy of India who oversaw the creation of the independent states of India and Pakistan? 1. Lord Canning. 2. Lord Mountbatten. 3. Lord Hastings. 4. Lord Irwin. Correct answer 2. Lord Mountbatten. Which of the following parks is India's first mixed World Heritage Site on UNESCO's World Heritage List? 1. Gir National Park. 2. Kanha National Park. 3. Nagarhole National Park. 4. Khangchen-Zonga National Park. Correct answer 4. Khangchen-Zonga National Park. Which of the following symbols must be used before a formula in a Microsoft Excel sheet? 1. Equal. 2. An ampersand. 3. $. 4. @ Correct answer 1. Equal. When was the PIN code, postal index code, introduced in India? 1. 1949. 2. 1969. 3. 1972. 4. 1963. Correct answer 3. 1972. Which article in the Constitution of India empowers the President of India to promulgate ordinances when the Parliament is in recess? 1. Article 232. 2. Article 312. 3. Article 123. 4. Article 213. Correct answer 3. Article 123. Income and employment theory is the other name for which branch of economics? 1. International economics. 2. Public finance. 3. Microeconomics. 4. Macroeconomics. Correct answer 1. International economics. The solar tracking moving in the sun's direction of the sunflower is called 1. Phototropism. 2. Thigmotropism. 3. Heliotropism. 4. Hydrotropism. Correct answer 3. Heliotropism. What is the full form of BASIC in context of the basic computer language? 1. Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Input Codons. 2. Beginner's All-Purpose Systematic Instruction Code. 3. Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Input-Output Code. 4. Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Correct answer 4. Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Who is the author of the book Digital Nation, Solving Technology's People Problem? 1. Nandan Nilekani. 2. Ratan Tata. 3. N. Chandrasekaran. 4. Narayana Murthy. Correct answer 3. N. Chandrasekaran. Slate is a type of rock. 1. Metamorphic. 2. Sedimentary. 3. Igneous. 4. Volcanic. Correct answer 1. Metamorphic. How many fundamental duties are set out in Part 4A, Article 51A of the Constitution of India? 1. 9. 2. 11. 3. 19. 4. 12. Correct answer 2. 11. The process that moves, elevates or builds up portions of the Earth's crust is called 1. Denudation. 2. Volcanism. 3. Weathering. 4. Diastrophism. Correct answer 4. Diastrophism. Who is the author of Malvik-Nagnimitram? 1. Kalidasa. 2. Kautilya. 3. Vyas. 4. Vagbhata. Correct answer 1. Kalidasa. Translated into English, the motto of the Indian National Army, INA, was 1. Do or die. 2. Unity and discipline. 3. Service before self. 4. Unity, faith, sacrifice. Correct answer 4. Unity, faith, sacrifice. Deficiency of thiamine results in 1. Rickets, 2. pellagra, 3. beriberi, 4. scurvy. Correct answer 3. beriberi. River Sutlej enters India through which pass? 1. Shipkila, 2. Lipulekh, 3. Jojila, 4. Nathula. Correct answer 1. Shipkila. Matki is a popular folk dance of which of the following states? 1. Madhya Pradesh, 2. Assam, 3. Rajasthan, 4. Bihar. Correct answer 1. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of which empire was not in South India? 1. Pala, 2. Chola, 3. Chera, 4. Pallav. Correct answer 1. Pala. Which of the following is a popular dance form of Lakshadweep Island? 1. Kuchipudi, 2. Kathak, 3. Koli, 4. Kolkali. Correct answer 4. Kolkali. Who is the author of the book Reset, Regaining India's Economic Legacy? 1. Suketu Mehta, 2. Abhijit Banerjee, 3. Subramanian Swamy, 4. Raghuram Rajan. Correct answer 3. Subramanian Swamy. Leukopenia is an abnormal 1. Increase in red blood cells, 2. Decrease in white blood cells, 3. A decrease in red blood cells, 4. Increase in white blood cells. Correct answer 2. Decrease in white blood cells. 1 degree latitude is equal to approximately kilometer. 1 111, 2 113, 3 115, 4 122. Correct answer 1. 111. As per the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, how many languages are referred to as scheduled languages? 1 14, 2 20, 3 22, 4 18. Correct answer 3. 22. Third generation computers used 1 vacuum tubes, 2 integrated circuits, 3 transistors, 4 VLSI technique. Correct answer 2. Integrated circuits. Which of the following plates has the slowest rate of movement at less than 2.5 centimeters here? 1 Arctic Ridge, 2 North American Plate, 3 Mid-Atlantic Ridge, 4 East Pacific Rise. Correct answer 1. Arctic Ridge. India's National Sports Day coincides with the birthday of which sports person? 1 Milkha Singh, 2 Sayyid Abdul Rahim, 3 Kapil Dev, 4 Dhyan Chand. Comment correct answer if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe.